Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to make QR code for Google Maps location. The first thing you want to do once you're in Google Maps, you're going to select the location or the place that you would like to create the QR code for. So let's say for example, this location right here. After you have selected the location, you're going to see a share icon, which you can see right here in the right hand column right above call. You're going to tap on that. After you have tapped on share, you're going to tap on copy. So you're going to tap on copy right there. After you have copied the link, I want you to close out of Google Maps and you're going to open your browser. Once in your browser, I want you to type in meqr and you're going to select me-qr.com. Once you're on me-qr.com, what you're going to do next, you're going to select URL and you're going to paste in the URL that you have copied. After you have pasted in the URL, from here you're going to tap on customize and download. Then from here you can select whichever one of these templates you would like to use. So for example, I could select this template right here and you can see how it looks. After you have done that, if you would like to customize it any further, you can do that. You can also change the background of the QR code and so on. Once you're finished doing all of the customization, as I said earlier, you can upload an image or so on. All you're going to do now is simply tap on the purple icon right here. After tapping on the purple icon, you can tap on the QR code and you can see it right there. After you have tapped on the QR code, you're going to tap on save the photos and that's it. You have now created a QR code for that location which you can share with anyone. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.